Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to Jasmy video update. We are starting off with the monthly now because the monthly is something like that, and you got that one green and you got the next red to it, and you probably are putting in a bearish engulfing right over there. But just because you have a bearish engulfing doesn't mean you have to go down. It's not important, because the last time you were doing that kind of stuff, you had a shooting star, you had this red candle, and it still got invalidated right there. So but let me tell you one thing, okay? It's almost like the negative patterns are building slowly, and if they had to play out and if they had to take place, then they're going to take place. You're not going to do anything about that. And what I mean by that is, see, I started the video talking about the monthly time frame. You have this monthly candlestick, which is almost a bearish engulfing, because you can see the green is smaller and the red is bigger, overtaking the green one. So yeah, that means that the bears are getting stronger, and if they keep growing and getting stronger, then June is going to be red and the sellers are going to be winning the game, right? The bears are going to be winning the game. But on the daily, we still have hope and we still are holding support, okay? And as I told you yesterday, that this, people are saying it's a bear flag, but when you zoom out, we're holding support, and that's strictly true, that you are holding support. It's not a bear flag that is in play. Yeah, yes, it does look like a flag, but it's not in play, right? Because there are more checks that you have to make before saying that something is a flag, and that is when you zoom out. You see, that's the thing. When you zoom in, you can be biased that, wow, let me open up a short position and write it all the way down. It came down like this, that's a flag, it's gonna go down. And it's quite important, and these are the things that I teach people when they try to learn from me. And you know, I always say that when you're coming on to trade, scan the north, scan the south, scan the where's the east? Is east here? And scan the west, right? So zoom out, and scan now. Then you will understand that, oh, okay, you're making a flag, but it seems like you're holding support as well. So this is a support. And when you lose that support, then you're going to say that that flag is actually in play. And then you're looking for what? A first top, second top, double M pattern, bearish engulfing on the monthly. And these are two things. And that's why I told you that it's building up. And don't be surprised if something that, it's just that one point called break it or make it. And that's where we are right now. So break it or just make it to the upside. And as far as the 4-hour time frame goes as well, you can say that you are probably now trying to make a double bottom right over here. So you do have the first bottom right there. Jasmy is coming down, maybe take a stop loss right here, then go back up like this, and you do have a double bottom come up here, break this neckline, and you have a technical target probably back up to those areas once again, maybe to 5600 once again from 46 that you are right now. And that's it for this very quick update on Jasmy. I'm still positive as long as you're holding support. Nothing wrong, right? Hold support, you're good. Break support, down you go. And that's it. I'm going to see you with the next one. Love is.